Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel e-learning tutor. So in this 24th video of Super 5 series, we are going to discuss 5 challenging questions of chapter complex numbers. If you missed watching our previous videos, I'll link it in the I bar. You can go check it out if you're interested. So without any further ado, let's get started. First have look of all 5 questions. Yes, let's start. First question. Roots of the equation x square plus bx plus 45 is equals to 0 belongs to R, lies on the curve mod of z plus 1 is equals to 2 root 10, where z is a complex number, then b is equals to how much? Okay, let's do it. First question, right? Let us assume the roots to be a plus ib. It comes with its complementary a minus ib. Yes. What is the equation given? X square plus bx plus 45 is equals to 0. What will be sum of roots? 2a. 2a is equals to minus b. Yes. Product of roots. Product of roots. A square minus b square is equals to 45. Take this as equation 1. And in question they gave z plus 1 is equals to 2 root 10. Yes. Now in place of z, put its roots. Yes. A plus minus ib plus 1 is equals to 2 root 10. This can be written as, sorry, roots, no? Wait. Alpha and beta are the roots, no? Fine. Okay. Alpha and beta. Okay, what do you get? Alpha plus 1 plus minus ib is equals to 2 root 10. If you do squaring on both sides, this modulus will be removed. Yes, let's do it. Alpha plus 1 whole square plus beta square is equals to 4 into 10, 40. Yes. Yes. From this equation 1, what can you write beta square as? Alpha square minus 45. Yes. Now directly substitute the beta square over here. What do you get? 45 minus, sorry, 45 minus alpha square is equals to 40 minus alpha plus 1 whole square. Expand this, what do you get? 45 minus alpha square is equals to 40 minus alpha square minus 2 alpha minus 1 cancels. So what do you get? 45 is equals to 39 minus 2 alpha. Minus 2 alpha is equals to 45 minus 39. Alpha will be equals to minus 3. Yes or no? This is plus. Plus, right? Yes. Now you substitute this alpha here. 2 alpha is equals to minus b. 2 into minus 3 is equals to minus b. Minus 6 is equals to minus b, which implies b is equals to 6. This is what we want. Yes or no? So what is the value of b? 6. Yes. Second question. Z is a complex number such that modulus of real part of z plus modulus of imaginary part of z is equals to 4. Then mod z can't be what? Okay. We have to find the range of this equation or function, whatever you call it. So, and we have to check with the options. Okay, let's do it. Second question, right? Yes, let's take a plus ib as z. So mod a plus mod b is given as some 4. Okay, now plot a graph. How many possible equations can we get via this? A plus b is equals to 4. Minus a minus b is equals to 4. Minus a plus b is equals to 4. A minus b is equals to 4. If you draw all lines, you get it this way. Yes. What is the maximum of it? This is 4 comma 0 minus 4 comma 0. What is maximum of this? Maximum is 4. What is minimum? This is minimum. OP. This is minimum. What is it? Minimum is mod 4 by root 2. Yes, what is minimum you get? 2 root 2, which is root 8. So maximum is root 4 can be written as root 16. Minimum is root 8. So this is the range of this function given. So mod z can't be what? Beyond this range it can't be there. Yes or no? Beyond root 8 comma root 16 it can't be there. Okay, it can't exist. Root 8 to root 16. What are not possible here? Eliminate them. Root 7 is not possible. See, root 8, root 10 is inside this. Root 7, no. Root 14, yes. Root 8, yes. So, root 7 is our answer. Okay. Third question. The number of solutions of the equation z cube plus z conjugate is equals to 0 is how much? See, first my idea to solve is sending this z conjugate to here, this side, RHS side. Okay, let's see whether it works or not. Z cube is equals to minus z bar. Yes, now you take modulus on both sides. If you take modulus, we know this, right? It is a property. Mod z is equals to minus mod z bar. Z is equals to z bar. Yes or no? All are equal. Yes. Mod z whole cube is equals to, what can you write this as? As all are equal, I am taking this one. Send this again to LHS. Z cube minus z bar is equals to 0, which imply take this common. Minus 1 is equals to 0. It implies two things. Mod z is equals to 0. Z square is equals to 1. This is one solution. Here, what do you get? What do you get over here? You see, mod z square is equals to 1, which imply z into z bar is equals to 1. Yes, is this the thing? Like, oh sorry, z into z conjugate is equals to 1, which implies z conjugate can be written as 1 by z. So you substitute this 1 by z in the previous, like first equation. What did we get? Z cube plus z bar is equals to 1. You substitute this z bar value. Z cube plus 1 by z is equals to 1. Z power 4 plus 1 is equals to, it is given as 0, right? I'm sorry, 0. So this is a fourth degree equation. So 4 roots, I mean 4 solutions. 4 solutions plus 1 solution over here. Don't forget this. Okay, remember though, don't forget that. Okay, 5 solutions. So what is our answer? 5 solutions. Okay. Fourth question. Let z belongs to complex numbers be such that modulus of z is less than 1 if w or omega whatever is equals to, okay, it is not omega because here they didn't mention anything, so take it as w only. Okay, 5 plus 3z by 5 into 1 minus z. Then okay, we want like range or sort of thing. What is it? Range of imaginary part of w or real part of w. Yes, so do this. What is given? 5 plus 3z by 5 of 1 minus z is equals to w. Now what you do is send this part to RHS. What do you get? 5w of 1 minus z is equals to 5 plus 3z. Yes or no? Now can you write it like this? And then take 5 to the LHS. 5 of w minus 1 is equals to z of 3 plus 5w. So what can you write z as? 5 of w minus 1 by 3 plus 5w. Yes or no? In question they mentioned as mod z is less than 1. Yes or no? Yes, mod z is less than 1. So you take modulus, this is z, you take modulus of z, it will be less than 1 for sure because it is mentioned in the question, it is the condition given. Yes or no? So 5 of w minus 1 mod I'm taking 3 plus 5w is less than 1, which implies 5. You can take 5 common, right? It is anyhow positive. It will be less than 3 plus 5w. Yes. Now take 5 common. This will become 3 by 5, of course. Less than 3 by 5 plus w. Now you see here, like if you consider it as roots or solutions, whatever, these are the points. Now you plot. It will be minus 3 by 5, minus 1, so 1. Now you see carefully. You make a line such that this part less than 1 and this part is more than 1. This implies this, right? This means this only. So the possible point will be 1 by 5. You check. You'll get 1 by 5 only. Yes. So real part of z will be greater than 1 by 5. Yes. Sorry. Greater than, right? Greater than 1 by 5. This implies 5 into real part of z is greater than 1. Sending 5 to the LHS, you get 5 into real part of z is greater than 1. So let's see in the options whether it is there or not. 5 into real part of w is greater than 1. I took it as z, no? I'm sorry. Yeah, here it is w only, but yeah, it is 5 into real part of w is greater than 1. So fifth question, let z be a complex number such that modulus of z minus I by z plus 2i is equals to 1 and mod z is equals to 5 by 2, then value of mod z plus 3i be how much? Okay, let's do it. Now, okay, can we write this as, oh, it is this, no? Yes or no? Because in question it is given as this is equals to 1. Yes. So can I send this part to the RHS and write like this? Absolutely yes. Now what I'll do is I'll take z as x plus iota y. If I take x plus iota y and substitute, then square, then cancel, we'll get the values of something or the other, x or y. Then if we substitute in the other condition given in the question, we'll get the other value and we can find the required value also. Yes or no? So what do you get? X square plus y minus 1 whole square is equals to x plus, sorry, I'll take the modulus out because I'm taking x square and I have cancelled. Root and root gets cancelled, of course, right? X square plus y square plus 4y. Yes, what do you get? Sorry, modulus cancelled. X square plus y minus 1 whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus 4y, which implies x square plus y square minus 2y plus 1 is equals to x square plus y square plus 4y. X square gets cancelled. Minus 3 is equals to 6y, which imply y is equals to minus 1 by 2. Yes, as I said, as we discussed, we got the value of 1. What can you say? One variable of this z. So if we substitute this y in mod z is equals to 5 by 2, we will get the value of x. Yes or no? How? X mod z can be written as x square plus y square is equals to 25 by 4. Y square can be written as 1 by 4. So x square plus 1 by 4 is equals to 24 by 4, which implies x square is equals to 6. X is equals to root 6. X is equals to root 6 and y is equals to minus 1 by 2. So what we want? This value. So what is it? Plus 3i is equals to how much? Okay, can I write this as root 6 minus 1 by 2i plus 3i is equals to, yes or no? It is x plus iy. So I can write it like this. Okay, what can you get? Root 6 plus 5 by 2i. Okay, modulus of this is 6 plus 25 by 4. What do you get? 24 plus 25, 49 by 4. which is 7 by 2. Let's check whether it is there in the option. Yes, it is there. So it is our option C. Thank you so much for watching.